I've decided to make my Google review system for local businesses a free trial. And what this means for you as an affiliate is that it's going to be way easier to sell because I'm going to set up this fantastic Google review system completely free for your referrals for 30 days so they can check it out and get comfortable with it. And then if they want to keep going with it, well, you're going to get $50 per month for that referral. And these customers tend to really stick with it because they're local businesses and they have real businesses and they're making real money, and it's a very valuable system. I'm going to show you again how this works so you understand it. Okay, so all these here are Google business profiles, and almost every local business has one. Okay, so what we have here, I searched lawyer Fort Lauderdale, just a very generic search, and we can see who is listed at the top. I mean, and that's where you want to be if you're a lawyer in Fort Lauderdale. And this goes for any local business, whether you're a doctor, lawyer, chiropractor, a plumber, doesn't matter. You want to be right up top here because when someone types in your business, your city, you want to be here. But look how many reviews they have. 1.6 thousand. Lots of reviews. And in general, it's the business profiles that have the most reviews, and of course 5-star reviews and good reviews. Look at this, 5.0 over 911 reviews. That's pretty good. Those are the ones who are going to rank. Okay, and the other ones rank further down. As we go down, I mean, they still have a lot of reviews, but they have less. This one is 88, but all 5 stars. On and on and on. So you want as many reviews as you can as a local business, and as many 5-star reviews as well, so you rank better in Google. And that is what our software helps you to do. Now, there's another reason you want to have a lot of good reviews as a local business. Take a look at this lawyer, bankruptcy attorney. Hey, he's getting hammered, man, compared to his competition. He's got 3.9 score, which is not good, right? But he only has 14 reviews, because if we go and look at this, we're probably going to find out he really doesn't have many bad reviews. He just has a few. Really, he's got 2 stars. Well, that's hard to tell from that, but he doesn't have that many bad reviews. It's just he doesn't have that many reviews overall, and so if he gets 1 bad review or 2 bad reviews, it really takes his average down. So that's another reason you want to have lots of reviews. It's an insurance policy. Well, our software helps you do that. Here's how it works. First, we set up the client with a portal where they type in the name, phone number, and email of the client that they just serviced. And they just click create contact, and send review request. Then next, the client is sent an SMS or an email requesting that they review the business. And they have 1 to 5 stars. If they click 5 stars, it goes directly to the Google business page where they can put their 5-star reviews. If it goes to 4 stars or less, it's a private information form, which goes directly to the business owner. Of course, we actually put the link on Google, the Google review page on here to stay compliant with Google, but it goes directly to the owner, so it's a chance for them to take care of any issues, and that mitigates some of the less than 5-star reviews. So that's how it works. It also responds beautifully with AI to all the reviews, so the business owner doesn't have to do it, and it follows up multiple times with both SMS and email. And so the bottom line, the business owner is going to get a lot more reviews and a lot more 5-star reviews. Now, you as an affiliate can sell this, and you make $50 per month per client. And the first 30 days is going to be a free trial. They get to test it out. They get to try it. And they can get to set up this great system. We'll set it up completely for them for free to try. So here's the affiliate program. Just a comment affiliate in the comments area, and I will send you this link where you can go learn more and sign up for free for this affiliate program. You're going to get a link that you can send out. Now, here's what the link is going to look like. Now, we have the affiliate link to the main site, but then we also have the affiliate link directly to the page. Okay. Here's the link directly to the 5-star review page, that program I just explained to you. So it's the URL !ref equals your ID, and that way it'll take them directly to the order page, and they can order a free trial. Okay, so what you do is you contact local businesses and you ask them if they're interested in getting more 5-star reviews for their business. If they say yes, you could just send them to this page. It's got a video on it explaining it with your affiliate link. And if they come and they order right here, it's coded to you. There you go, 30 days free trial. Then it's $197 per month. You get $50 out of that. Also, you could forward the lead to me. I'll be glad to talk to them about it. Schedule a call on my calendar, and I'll talk to them about it. That works really well, having that contact. And or you can send them your affiliate link after they say that they are interested. And where do you find customers? They're everywhere. There's local businesses everywhere. You patronize them, and you have friends who know people who have local businesses. Start with your warm market and just say, hey, do you know anybody? Go on your Facebook page, go on all your friends and say, hey, I've got this great system for getting more reviews on Google, more 5-star reviews, and it's good for people with local businesses. Does anybody know anybody who could use such a system? Because we'll set it up for free for them to try it out. I mean, that's a great deal. So I would start with people you know, because you already have credibility with them. I've gotten a lot from my warm market and so on and so forth. Hey, if you go to clubs or anything like that, I'm talking about, like I go to a jiu-jitsu club and I meet a lot of people there. I've gotten business that way. It's not the only way. But if you have activities that you do where you know people, just, hey, let it out that you have this system. You could send them your affiliate link. It has the video, everything on there. I'll be glad to follow up. And you make $50 commission on each one each month. So go ahead and comment affiliate below. I'll send you the link where you can sign up for this for free, and go see if you know anyone who has a local business and who wants to get more Google reviews so they rank higher. All right, I appreciate it. And if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much.